All right, this is an adaptation on what one is this? The gut punch, but instead of pulling your victim into a gut punch, you are pulling your victim into a nose break to the knee. So you're bringing their face down into the knee and breaking their nose. So your attacker is grabbing both shoulders, you are bringing your victim down. Victim, it's important to keep your back straight, keep your head parallel with your back. And because if you bring your head too far down, you're going to actually smash your face into her knee, which would not be pleasant. So you're going to bring that down. Attacker, how far should your knee come up?
Like waist level.
Yes, waist level and never higher. You never want it to be further than parallel from the ground. All right, so you're going to go ahead and bring that knee up. And then, victim, what are we doing to defend ourselves against actually breaking our nose?
We're going to cover our face with our hands.
Yes, we are going to cover our nose with like our triangle. Our hands are going to protect our nose there. And that triangle is actually what's going to slap against the knee there to make the sound. So you're going to let your hands hit and your hair or head is going to be close enough that it's going to cover, and then you will stumble back grabbing that face and using your acting skills. So nice and slow-mo. Let's see what that would look like. Excellent job. And a little faster with sound effect. Great job.